Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a RAM upgrade on your HP EliteBook 840 G1 or G2. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that the device has been completely powered off. You're going to flip it over, and you're going to have this latch at the top that you slide over to the left. And then the easiest way to do this is maybe from this little spot over here, you can grab it to pull down to remove that. And you should already have one memory chip here. There's a chance that you may have two. If you have a second one, remove that one, and then you're going to open your new one, and there will be a notch on here to indicate the correct orientation. If you look at the slot, you can see where that notch is. You're going to kind of hold that at an angle and push it in there, and then push down, and these little clips on the side will catch and clip in to secure the RAM. Then you take your bottom and kind of set it like this, and then until it's flat, and then push up to close it, and then lock the latch, and you are finished.